Planning to work from home through 2022. Here are some of the best gadgets that can assist you while you work remotely. After the events of the past 2 years, working from home has become nothing short of the norm for millions of people worldwide. But it's not always as simple as using your laptop or desktop. Sometimes, a few valuable gadgets can make working from home much more convenient and enjoyable. So, which gadgets are great for working from home in 2022? Let's take a look. Blue light blocking glasses. Extended screen usage might result in headaches and eye strain. You undoubtedly spend a lot of time each day in front of a computer screen, so you are probably aware of how tough it is to stay focused after a while. Eye strain frequently results from pre-existing vision issues or might be brought on by the way we use digital devices. Eye strain can result from holding displays near to our faces or stooping over a desk to get a closer look. The 20-20-20 rule is useful for reducing eye fatigue. This implies that you glance away for at least 20 seconds every 20 minutes at something that is 20 feet away. Additionally, blue light blocking eyewear may be beneficial, albeit the scientific data is hazy. However, since blue light can interfere with our natural circadian rhythm and make it harder to fall asleep, these glasses may be useful for night owls. Power strip. A power strip is a useful tool for connecting several electrical devices to a single outlet. To safeguard connected equipment in the event of a short circuit or energy overload, several models come equipped with an inbuilt circuit breaker. For more energy efficiency, think about a smart power strip. Smart power strips, as opposed to conventional strips, turn off when a device enters sleep mode. Exercise ball. The workout ball is another tool that serves two purposes. It not only provides an entertaining kind of exercise, but it also functions as a chair for the office. Engaging your core is essential to prevent rolling off. Although the WFH has a sizable following for the exercise ball, you don't have to part with your ergonomic chair. Utilizing a standing desk alternative and switching back and forth between the two may have some health advantages. If you liked this video, let us know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and share.